आज एते पिलांक गहन रे getting a honorary doctorate degree from a deemed to be university, which is established by my friend Dr. Achyuta Samanta, in presence of such luminaries, definitely reminds me it is not because of my education pursuit, but my life for last 30 years as a public representative has been recognized, and I humbly accept that responsibility which has been conferred on me. जो डॉक्टरेट डिग्री टी मते आज प्रदान करा जाइछि मु विशेष भाव रे किस यूनिवर्सिटी पाखरे ऋणी रही गली। ये कैंपस भितर को प्रवेश करने बेल ठारू जो भली भाव रे जो श्रृंखला जो संयम प्रदर्शन करिसंती आमर छात्र छात्री माने से माने ओडिशार अंतर्निहित शक्ति को ही एठी प्रदर्शन करिसंती। जने विशिष्ट राजनैतिक नेता किछि मास तले मते थरे कहउथले गोटे सभारे ए ओडिशा रे जे ओडिया लोक ताली मारी जानती नाही। मते सेतेबेले बहुत खराब लागिला, किंतु आज एठी केवल आमर पूर्वतन राज्यपाल जे मुख्य अतिथि अछंती आजिर ये समावर्तन उत्सव रे गणेशीलाल जी सी केवल ताली मारू नांती, आपण माने मध्य समस्ते मिसिकी ताली मारुछन। अन्यर सफलतारे निजे आह्लादित हेई ताकू समर्थन करी निजर उत्साह को प्रकाश करिबा मनुष्यर गोटे सहजात प्रवृत्ति एवं सही सरल भाव रे जहाँ मु एठी सुनिली आसिला बेले बैटरी गाड़ी रे जो अतिथि माने आम सांगे बसचंती मंच उपरे से कहउथांती तांको भाषा रे कथा होतांती, मझे मझे इंग्रेजी रे भी कथा होतांती। मु सेथिपई से कथाटी एठी ओडिया रे कहूची आपण मानक सहजरे बुझिबा पई कि लक्ष्यकर पिलामानक मुह केते सरल केते स्वाभाविक। एवं मु धन्यवाद देवी डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत को ये सरलता को आनिकी एठी फूलटी फुटेवा पई आपण प्रयत्न करूचंती। जगन्नाथंकर कृपा आपण को ऊपर रहू यह मु बारंबार प्रार्थना करी एवं ये अनुष्ठान उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति आउरी हो यह कामना करी रहूची। समस्त को मोर कृतज्ञता जनाऊँगी। वंदे उत्कल जननी भारत माता की जय।
Thank you, sir. I now request Sri Soumya Ranjan Patnaik, founder editor,
you to be worthy of the same.
Most visionary Sri Soumya Ranjan Patnaik. Sir, you are the media baron who brought Odisha its first breath of fresh air. In 1984, when the state was reading stale news, you returned from London School of Economics and Oxford University with a vision to give voice to the voiceless. You launched Sambad, not just Odisha's largest Odia Delhi, but a revolution. First to introduce photo typesetting, color pages, dedicated sports and literature sections, the regional edition reaching every corner. You built Sambad Group into the 360-degree powerhouse spanning print, Kanak News, Radio Chocolate 104 FM, digital platforms and theatre. But you didn't stop at headlines. You turned language into movement. Through Odisha's Suddha Odia Likhana, you distributed over 1 million prizes to students, making it largest Odia writing competition outside governments. You created Sambad Sahitya Ghar, reviving grassroots literature. You transformed blood donation into a people's movement, an alumnus of Ravenshaw, BHU, and Oxford, with over a decade teaching political science at BHU. You are a mesmerizing orator. Former member of parliament from both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and former MLA from Khandapada, you have championed Odia nationalism, Ma, Mati, Matru Bhasa, with independent mindedness that opened new eras in media and politics. Your column, Amo Gharara Halchal, connects with hearts statewise. In recognition of your revolutionary transformation of Odisha's media landscape, your unparalleled promotion of Odia language and your lifelong commitment to giving voice to the voiceless, the Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences, deemed to be university, unanimously resolves to confer the degree of Doctor of Letters, honoris causa upon you on this 30th day of November 2025 at its 5th annual convocation.
Thank you, sir.